Hi, welcome to our Mautic CRM video series provided by Higher Education Marketing. Today, we're going to look at the calls outcome report in Mautic. Let's get started. First, navigate to the report section of Mautic using the main menu. Then, you're going to click the calls outcome report. First, you're probably going to want to adjust the time span on the report, so you can select this drop-down menu, and in this case we want to view data over the course of the year. This report provides a summary of calls made by each contact owner, as well as their outcomes, such as wrong number, busy, left live message, connected, or left voicemail. But of course, these parameters may look different in your CRM based on what your school wants to measure. On the rightmost column, you can see the total number of calls made by each representative. And in the bottom row, you can see the total number of calls for each stage, such as wrong number or live message. And that's it. Now you know all about the calls outcome report in Mautic. For more videos, visit the Mautic CRM section of our website at higher-education-marketing.com.